Hey guys, this is my first attempt at an airsoft gameplay scope cam video. Some highlights from last weekend. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, I see them. Keep eyes on them. Can they come up our right hand side down the creek?
Sorry, running and speaking afterwards is difficult. Okay.
I got one guy coming.
This is the widest that they can go though.
Okay.
If we hold this position, they won't flank us. If we don't hold this position, it won't matter, we'll be dead. So.
Oh, I got one guy here. I got the guy on the right flank.
Medic! Come on, dude, hold up to your shit. Medic!
I got one guy on the flank here. Got one guy out, one guy's on me. I gotta fucking move into. What do you see on your left there, Dayton? Do you see anything coming in?
Nothing at the moment.
Okay.
Branch.
Oh shit. They are fucking close, buddy. I can smell them. I can smell them. I got one guy coming on the up the hill, Dayton.
How far out?
He's past the green fence, that's for sure. Dayton, this guy's down here. Look at, come up here. Do you see him?
Oh,
He's moving.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, I think that's the only flyer out there. There's one more guy in here though. Can't find him. Oh yeah, I see him. I see him. Oh yeah, I see him. Hit!
How's it going? Got my back. Make room for me.
Hey guys, you guys got one guy on the left here.
Hit! Nice shot, nice shot! Hit player, hit player!
Oh yeah. Yeah, I see one.
Someone's full, watch the left side. Watch the left.
Yeah.
Nice shot, dude. I just took out 3 of them.
Aaron, you still with me?
At this point in the day, my GoPros had no more room or didn't have batteries, so I just have scope cam footage for the last little part here, and we were playing some zombies.
One guy's left. Watch your left.
Can I touch you and respawn?
Booyah, baby. Hit! Oh, Matt, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, buddy. Buddy, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. You were in there, weren't you? Sorry, where did you get you? Oh, just here. Oh, fuck. I was like, that's not